Hello all, welcome to Universal Group of Institutions. The Upanishadic period, the dawn of Indian philosophy. Welcome to the Upanishadic period, a profound era in ancient Indian history spanning from 800 to 400 BCE. During this time, philosophical ideas flourished in regions across the Indian subcontinent, particularly in forest hermitages and scholarly communities. The Upanishads, a collection of philosophical texts, emerged from these discussions exploring the nature of reality, self, and the universe. These texts, composed in the form of dialogues between gurus and disciples, were transmitted orally, preserving profound spiritual wisdom. Central to the Upanishads are concepts like Brahman, the universal soul, and Atman, the individual soul, emphasizing the interconnectedness of all existence. Meditation and ascetic practices were integral to seeking higher knowledge and understanding the ultimate truths of life. The Upanishads teach that realizing the unity of Atman and Brahman leads to liberation or moksha, breaking the cycle of rebirth. The Upanishadic period laid the philosophical foundations for Indian spirituality, influencing countless generations and shaping the course of Indian thought. Stay curious and keep exploring. Thank you.